If 8 men and 6 boys can dig a well in 2 days, and 6 men and 2 boys can do it in 3 days, how long will 5 men and 3 boys take to do it? Now, we can form a simple equation. The equation is based on the concept W is equal to PD. Okay. Now, as we are speaking of the same work, we can take W as now 8 men and 6 boys are working. Always remember whenever there is and, that means it is addition. So we can write it down as 8M, that is 8 men plus 6 boys. Now they can dig a well in 2 days. Okay. So here we have got number of people P, and now we'll multiply it by the number of days, that is 2. Now the same work is done by 6 men and 2 boys. So similarly, we can have another equation 6M plus 2 boys, and they can do it in 3 days. Now let's expand this. So 8M into 2, that is 16M plus 12B is equal to 3 6 are 18M plus 3 2s are 6B. Now bringing all M on one side and all B on one side, we have 2M is equal to 6B. So 2 3s are 6. So we can say that 1 man is equivalent to 3 boys. Now, the question asked is how long will 5 men and 3 boys take to do it? Okay. Now, first of all, we can find out the work by substituting 1 man is equal to 3B. Now, 1 man is equal to 3B. So, therefore, 8 men, that will be equivalent to 8 into 3B plus 6B into 2. So 8 threes are 24 plus 6, that is 30, and 30 into 2 we have 60B. So W is equal to 60B. Now we can equate this to the final work. So 5 men and 3 boys are working. We want to find out for how many days. Now 5 men, we can say it is equivalent to 5 into 3B plus 3B. Okay, so now we have 60B is equal to 5 threes are 15 plus 3, 18B into D. So B gets cancelled. We have D is equal to 60 upon 18. So we can reduce it to 6 tens are 60, 6 threes are 18. So the answer becomes 10 by 3 days.